everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Daikon no beっこう煮 or Daikon no koっくり煮. It was served as a school lunch at my daughter's school and she liked it, so I decided to make it again. We simmered daikon and pork with soy sauce and sugar, so it has very addictive, salty sweet flavor. It goes perfect with rice. It can be served either hot or cold. It is delicious. You make it and you keep it in the pot for a while, like overnight. It becomes super delicious. My kids loved it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Cut pork into bite-sized pieces. I use kitchen shears, it's easy and fast. Cut daikon into 2/3 inch slices, then cut into quarter rounds. If your daikon is small, half rounds are okay. Heat sesame oil in a large pot or frying pan is okay. Cook the meat until no longer pink. You need dashi broth or water is okay. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of mirin, sweet sake, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add daikon in the pot. Add the dashi broth mixture. Bring to a boil and remove the foam if necessary. Now turn down to low, cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Open and simmer on medium for 10 minutes until nice and amber. You can simmer down more, but simply what you do is you stop the heat and leave in the pot for a while. Or overnight is better. It will become nice and brown and tasty in this way.
Understand.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Yeah.
おいしい。
登録お願いします。ゲットボタン押してね。バイバイ。